In today's video, I'll show you how to categorize expenses in QuickBooks Online step by step. Properly organizing your expenses makes it easier to track your spending, understand your finances, and keep your records accurate. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu and click on Expenses. This section shows all of your recorded transactions, including purchases and bills. Inside the Expenses area, you'll see a list of your recent transactions. You can scroll through the list or use the search and filter options to quickly find a specific expense. Filters can help you sort transactions by type or status, making it easier to stay organized. Next, select the expense you want to categorize. When the transaction opens, look for the Category field. This is where you assign the correct expense type, such as office supplies, utilities, software, or travel. Choosing the right category helps QuickBooks generate accurate financial reports. After selecting the category, review the rest of the transaction details to make sure everything looks correct. If needed, you can also add notes or a description to help you remember what the expense was for. Once you're done, click Save and Close to store the changes. Repeat the same process for your other transactions to keep your records up to date. Keeping your expenses properly categorized helps you understand where your money is going and makes financial management much easier. And that's how you categorize expenses in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.